Namaskar. I am Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 13th January 2021. Now let's start the presentation. Here I am discussing about synoptic system of today. 1 WD as a cyclonic circulation in lower level lies over Haryana and neighborhood, and a feeble fresh WD as a trough lies over around Jammu Kashmir. It is also over mid tropospheric level, which is effect Jammu Kashmir, especially higher reaches of Jammu Kashmir, causes light isolated rainfall activity continue during next 2 days over the region. And one cyclone circulation lies over South Konkan in lower level, and one trough from north interior Karnataka to interior Odisha at lower levels. One cyclonic circulation lies over South Tamil Nadu, and another cyclonic circulation lies over Southwest Bengal in lower tropospheric levels. Now, this is the observed weather rainfall and other weathers. Rainfall, maximum rainfall in Telangana was received 10 centimeter, Odisha 5 centimeter, coastal Andhra Pradesh 5 centimeter, and Rayalaseema also 5 centimeter. Thunderstorm with hail in isolated pockets over Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar and Telangana. And including this severe cold day condition observed in some parts of West Madhya Pradesh and cold day condition in some parts over East Rajasthan and Gujarat state, and isolated pockets over Punjab, East Madhya Pradesh and West Rajasthan. And including this dense to very dense fog in isolated pockets over Punjab, Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Tripura was observed past 24 hours. Now I am discussing about weather warning and rainfall activity during next 5 days. Wet spell over East India and in Central India, which is likely to continue during next 2 days and significant reduce thereafter. Including this, isolated heavy rainfall very likely over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana during next 24 hours, and thunderstorm with hail very likely also over Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Odisha during next 24 hours. And now I'm talking about southern peninsula under the influence of cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay Bengal and one cyclonic circulation over South Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric level. Isolated light rainfall, thunder shower over Tamil Nadu and Kerala is likely to happen during next 5 days. And for the outlook, especially over Northwest India, two fresh WD very likely to affect Northwest India. First from 16 January, which is gives isolated to scatter precipitation 16 and 17 over Himalayan region, and second from 18 and likely to cause light to moderate scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over western Himalayan region, and light isolated to scattered rainfall over adjacent plains for subsequent 2 and 3 days. Now I am discussing about cold wave, cold day and fog. As prevailing cold wave condition in isolated pocket very likely over northeast Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh during next 2-3 days. And cold day condition in isolated pockets very likely over Gujarat state, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and North Rajasthan during next 2 days. Now I am discussing about dense fog to very dense fog in isolated pockets in mid and morning hours, very likely over Western Himalayan region, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram during next 2 days, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, North Rajasthan during next 3 days, and over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, South Himalayan, West Bengal, and Sikkim during next 5 days. In this slide, I am discussing about weather warning in graphical form. Here we can see in day 1 almost entire Northwest India and adjoining Madhya Pradesh is likely to experience fog, cold day or cold wave condition, and Heavy rainfall is likely to Odisha, Telangana or CAP. Big hailstorm is also likely over Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana during next 24 hours. And dense fog in isolated pockets over Himalayan West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam, Meghalaya, and NMT. And now I'm discussing about day 2, that is 14th January. Overall, same situation likely to happen, except rainfall is not likely to happen over the country on day 2. Other warning is likely to continue during next 2 days. Now I am discussing about day 3, that is 15, where the temperature is likely to increase over MP, and fog is also a flip from Western Himalayan region. Here we can see dense to very dense fog at isolated pocket likely to happen over Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and dense fog over Haryana, Punjab, Bihar, South Himalayan West Bengal. And thunderstorm lightning likely to happen over Odisha, over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. On day 6, only dense fog is likely to over at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, SHWB. On day 5, dense fog in isolated pockets over Bihar, SHWB, Uttar Pradesh or Odisha, and thunderstorm likely to happen over Tamil Nadu. No other weather warning over the region. You can follow us our website mausam.imd.gov.in and many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, including this for latest update and warning. You can use your mobile as mobile app for Mausam, Damini, and Meghdut. Thank you for listening me. Namaskar.